Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Michelle. I thought we'd get on here today and we'd do a math addition activity together. What you need for this activity is this form, which I will have sent to your moms and dads by email. So have them printed out for you. Or if that's not possible, then maybe they can just draw this grid for you on a piece of paper. Okay? So all you'll need is this paper and a pencil. Okay? I'm going to use the dice, but you don't need the dice because you're just going to follow along with me and we're going to do it together. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take these two dice and we're going to roll them. Okay. I have, what number is this? 5 and 3. So we're going to add them together and see what we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we add 3 more, 6, 7, 8. So in your first box, you're going to write the number 8. 8. Just like that. Okay? You could use a marker. You don't have to use a pencil. You could use a crayon, whatever you'd like to use. Okay? So we're just going to write the answers in the boxes. Okay? All right. So let's roll again. This time we got, do you remember what that looks like? That's the number 5. You're right. So 5 and 2. You're right. So let's count. So we have 5 here and we have to add 2 more. So we'll start at 5 in our head and add 2 more. 6. Yeah, 7. All right. So in the next box, next to the 8 we just wrote, we're going to write 7. Okay. There we go. We wrote the number 7. Okay. Let's roll again. Oh, we should remember this. We just did this one. It was our first one. 5 and 3. What was 5 and 3? 5, 6, 7, 8. You're right. It was the number 8. So next to our 7 we just wrote, we're going to write 8 again. 8. Okay? So far, we should have 3 boxes filled in. 8, 7, 8. Okay? All right, we're going to roll again. Oh, now we have, I always want to start with our bigger number. So 2 and 1. What does 2 and 1 make? Count how many dots there are. 1, 2, 3. So in that last box in that top row, we're going to write a 3. 3. Your paper should look like this so far. Okay, good job. All right, we're ready to roll again. Gonna roll this one, gonna roll this one. Okay, so I have 5. Remember, when it always looks like this, that's 5. 5 and a 1. So what's 5 plus 1? 6. Yeah. So we're going to go under that first 8 we wrote, and we're going to make a 6. Remember, the 6 starts at the top, comes down and around, and makes a belly. Just like that. Good job. All right, I'm going to roll the dice. Let's see what we get this time. Oh, we did this one already. 2 plus 1. What's 2 plus 1? How many dots are there? 3. So next to the 6, we're going to write our 3. And the 3 goes loop de loop. Right? Just like that. Good work. All right. Let's roll again. And roll this one. Roll this one. Oh, we haven't done this one yet. How many dots is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one more makes 7. You're right, 7. So we're going to write a 7. We've done that before. Straight across and down. That makes 7. right? That'd be right next to your 3. Let's roll the dice again. Oh, we haven't done this one yet either. So when they look like that, that's the number 3, right? 1, 2, 3. And how many is here? 2, right? So 3 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we're going to write 5 next to that 7 we just wrote. So a 5 goes down and around, and then you give them a hat. So it looks just like that. Okay, so now we should have 2 rows filled in so far. Okay. All right, let's roll these dice. Oh, 2 and 1. We've done that before. What's 2 plus 1? 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we're going to write through. Remember, 3 is loop-de-loop. Okay, write it in that box right under that 6. All right, let's roll and roll. All right. What is this again? We've had this before. You're right. It's the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more makes 7. You're right. So I'm going to go straight across and down for 7. Look like this. Good job. All right, let's roll again. You ready? Roll this one and this one. Oh, remember when it looks like this, that's the number 5. So we have 5 and 5. So 5 plus 5 makes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 make 10. All right, so 10, what's a 10 look like? It's got 2 numbers in it. That's right, a 1 and a 0. The 1 comes first. So in the box next to the 7, you write a 1 and then make a 0 next to it. So those 2 numbers together make a 10. A 1 and a 0. Good job, you guys. Doing great. Only got a couple more. All right, let's roll again. Okay, remember when it looks like this, that's the number, right, 3 and 2. So what's 3 plus 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So next to the 10, we're going to write a 5. Remember, it's down and around, and then make a top on it. Okay? So now, so far, we should have 3 rows done. Okay, 3 rows done. We're on our last row. All right, let's roll those dice. 5 and a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5, and we add 1 more. So 5 plus 1 comes after 5. Yeah, 6. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So under that 3, we're going to make a 6. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to come down and come in and make a belly. So it should look just like that. Good job. All right, we're on our lap. We're going to roll the dice again. Oh, 3 plus 3. What is that? 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 3 plus 3 is 6. So we have to write another 6. Remember, start at the top, come down and loop in and give them a belly. We should have 2 6s so far. We only have 2 more boxes and we're all done. All right, gonna roll this dice. I'm gonna roll this dice. 6 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count these from 6. 7, 8, 9, 8. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 6 plus 4. Sorry, 6 plus 5. So 6 and 5 make 11. Yeah, 6 and 5 make 11. How do you make an 11? Yeah, it has 2 numbers in it. Comes right after 10 is 11. You're right. It's a 1 and a 1. 2 ones together. So 1, 1. Just like that. Good job. We're on our last box. All right, I'm gonna roll this one. Roll this one. Okay. 5 and 1. We should know that. We've done that one a couple of times now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more makes 6. You're right. So we're going to make our 6 again. Start at the top, come down, and loop in and give them a belly. Okay. And then our paper is all filled in and should look just like this. You guys did a great job. Thanks for joining me today and working on our math addition and our writing our numbers, recognizing our numbers, and our one-to-one correspondence counting. You guys are doing such a great job. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again soon. Bye.